Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. So just go to bottom right side corner, then go and click on your top right side corner to turn off your business professional account here. First of all, you have to just go to your settings option. Now you have to go and click on creator tool and control. Once you're here, you will get this option of switch account type. Now here my account is already a business account or professional account, so I have to just go and click on switch to personal account. And here you can see when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insight will be turned off. So I will just go and click on switch off to a personal account. As you can see here, it's loading, so let it load. Just don't do anything here, and our account has been changed into a personal account. Now you can see the creator option has got vanished, as well as there is a no data insight here. So this is how you can do it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.